Okay, welcome. Today we'll discuss about latest interview questions and answers. Okay, okay. I will tell you. Wait 5 minutes. I will tell you. Okay. Tell me about yourself. Another question: how to install IHS and plugins? And another one: how to install SSL in a IHS and plugin level. Plugin level. What are the repositories what are the repositories are available in IBM WebSphere application server? Application server. What is the LDAP port number? What is the LDAP secure port number? What is the IHS secure port number? And how to configure data source, and what are the prerequisites to configure data source? Okay. Prerequisites to install the data source. How to generate and propagate the plugins plugins and ninth one, how to what are the steps to configure LDAP 10th one. Mm, what is the use of federated repositories? What is the difference between web server versus application server? And 12th question, how many ways to deploy the application? Okay. 13th question, how to deploy an application, how to deploy an application, either EAR or WebPy, whatever it is. This and any one more thing, one. Wait for one more thing. Hmm, wait 5 more minutes. Okay. Another one, 14th one, how to deploy an application using in backend. This is the 14 questions they are asked. Answers. Okay. Hi, good evening. Myself Ganesh, having years of experience, currently working in IT organizations, currently associated in IT organization. My roles and responsibilities are responsibilities are First one, installing the installation manager, comma, various product configurations, and create the profiles and apply the fix pack and ifixes ifixes and create the clusters either vertical or horizontal clusters. Fourth one, very much interesting to create a data source create a data source in prod or non-prod environments worked on service now ticketing tool. It consists of incidents, incident task, changes, change task, incident and incident task, change task, and ECR emergency change request, and deploy the application in various methods and installed the SSL in IHS or WebSphere level. And one more thing I forgot here. What is the main configuration file for IHS? They are asked. Okay. And eighth point, worked P1, comma, P2, comma, P3, comma, P4 incidents and resolved within SLA time. Ninth one, resolved application slowness issues and out of memory issues. Java.lang. Out of memory issues or Java.lang. Null pointer exceptions or Java.lang. Number format exceptions, etc. Worked on this. Okay. Worked on the high CPU utilizations. Okay. And fix pack rollback based on the application owners or application suggestion, application development team suggestions will roll back. This is the main points to cover all the things. Okay. What is the second question? How to install IHS and plugins, right? So, second question, second answer. Second answer, okay. Verify the disk space by using df space -h. I will show you how to install IHS. Don't worry. Okay. This is IHS. I downloaded IHS. Okay. How to install IHS? I will show you. Don't worry about this. mv IHS /opt mv plants by WebSphere /opt cd/opt. Okay. chone -r vas admin IHS and plants by WebSphere plants by WebSphere in this. So here chone. I changed the vas admin permissions chmod -r 775 IHS and plants by WebSphere. Okay, everything is normal, right? So I am creating one folder should su vas admin. So I am logging as a vas admin. Okay, I am logging as a vas admin. cd/opt. I am creating one folder. I am creating one folder mkdir IHS. So this folder I am moved to IHS 8.52 IHS. Okay, this cd IHS and unzip ihs.zip. Okay, now find the command dot -name repository.xml. Okay, this. cat or vim. Use this. This is the offering ID IHS. This is the offering ID. You can copy cd slash IBM installation manager Eclipse tools dot slash IMCL install offering ID of the WebSphere. Sorry, IHS hyphen installation directory. I will use this time OPT IBM HTTP server hyphen accept license hyphen SP hyphen repositories slash opt IHS repository.conf hyphen properties is equal to user dot IHS dot HTTP port is equal to 8081 comma user dot IHS dot hello non-root silent install is equal to true. Okay, close here. This is the IHS command. Okay, this is IHS command. I'm installing. Why using this means I am not using root users. So bash admin users who can use this. If you not use this, we can get some errors. I am not use any DL. DL is not mandatory based on your requirement we use. Okay, same command I will use. Plugins also same, but plugins you can change the path. Okay, WebSphere, IBM WebSphere plugins. Okay, and here I will change PLG IMCL. I am installing the same command and small modifications. PLG I use instead of PLG IHS. I am using PLG installed. No issues is reported. No issues is reported. Okay, no issues is reported. Now I am creating the profiles. I am installing 85521, right? So I installed, I uninstall and installed VAS dot slash IMCL uninstall com dot IBM dot websphere dot nd dot v85 hyphen dl websphere VAS IM shared hyphen accept license hyphen so progress. This is the main path. Install it uninstallation purpose. So I installed the VAS 8550. Okay. Why errors are coming? Uninstall completed, no issues is reporting. CD WebSphere, IBM WebSphere app server bin, no such folder directory, RM space RF, WebSphere and star. No, I will install VAS product dot slash imcl install. Okay, com dot IBM dot WebSphere dot ND dot V85 hyphen installation directory WebSphere IBM WebSphere app server and hyphen accept license hyphen supogress hyphen repositories opt comma vas repository.config. After install, I am installing plugins. I use RM space RF, right? I use their plugins one more time. Okay, install completed. I am same command I will use, but repository path is different. IHS, but I use an RM space RF, right? So here plugins is corrupt. Plugins is not there. So I use plugins. After that, I generate and propagate the plugins. This is the installation methods. Okay, anybody ask? This is the installation. PLG. Okay, right? Everything is correct, right? Yes, everything is correct. Okay, this question is complete. Yes, and IHS and plugins is complete. Okay, and I will use the eighth question: how to generate and propagate the plugins. Okay, I will show you. Okay, CD WebSphere, IBM WebSphere plugins, and CD bin. Do, mhm. So do one thing. CDIM IBM installation manager Eclipse tools. I will run the same command and use a different path. OPT. I use an RM space RF, right? That is a mistake. So I changed the location, no issues. No issues is reported. No, I have installed it. Now I am create the profiles. Dot slash manage profiles dot sh is the script. Hyphen create hyphen profile name dmgr01 hyphen profile path slash websphere IBM websphere app server profiles dmgr01 hyphen template path slash websphere IBM websphere app server profile templates and a management we are using hyphen cell name dmgr underscore cell 1 hyphen node name dmgr underscore node 1 and I will use ampersand. Okay, same command hyphen server name. I will use my own server name hyphen server type application server ampersand and I use appsrv1 and I use default template as the template. Okay, and here we are using app server 1. I created only one profile and I deploy the application and all the things. Jobs cd logs manage profiles tail space hyphen 10 app server 1 underscore create dot log after that we will create app server and federation. After federation we can integrate the profiles with generate and propagate the plugins. Success. Okay, so here one step back cd profiles dmgr and bin dot slash start server dot sh and dmgr we have used and one step back cd app server 1 cd bin dot after that we are used. Okay, no issues. After that only we can federation. dmgr logs tail space hyphen 10f. You can verify the logs dmgr started or not. Yes, dmgr is started. dmgr is started. Okay. Now we are going to app server and fettered the node to dmgr dot slash add node dot sh dmgr hostname server 1 8879 is the soap collector port number of dmgr. Okay, we can generate here add node dot log is generated. We can use this. We can verify the all logs. I will show you here. Tail space hyphen 10f. See, profile federation is created or not, adding or not. We are using add node dot log. Adding node. Okay, synchronization. Node agent is launched. Okay, see, same thing happened here and here. Both are in same line. After that, I created the web server. This question will be covering. This question is covering. Okay, and this question is cover. Okay, and this question also will cover. And this question and this question and this question all almost all cover practical part. Successfully federation node. Okay, now I am login. This is my server 9060 slash. Now I am doing plugins. Okay, I have only one server. Okay, go to servers, web server, adding node. Okay, I am starting the node. Sorry, server by using backend. And one more thing, one more question they asked. Forgot how to start the JVM and how to stop the JVMs. This question there occurs. Okay, I will answer. No issues. Okay, now go to go to system administration. Go to the node agent. Go to node agents. Go to nodes. Sorry, go to nodes. Add node. Select unmanaged node. Next, we can use IHS and we can use any host name 103 dot 54 dot 101 dot 128, sorry, 227 Linux platform. I am creating the IHS, and one more question they asked: how to map the modules after installed. I will show you. I will show you. Don't worry. Everything is covered. Go to the web servers. I am creating web server, and web server name is India web server. India IHS. Next, next. I use 8081. Okay. Use your username VAS admin and VAS admin. No issues reporting. Here CD, OPT, IBM, WebSphere plugins. Okay. No issues. HTTP. Okay. No issues. Cdbin dot slash history info dot sh. Okay. No issues. CD WebSphere plugins bin dot slash history info dot sh. Okay, no issues reported. Okay, IBM here WebSphere, right? Don't use IHS here. 8008 is administrative port number. Finish. Save. Okay. We are using start here PWD dot slash Apache CTL hyphen K start. Started. IHS is running or not? We can verify. 103 dot. IHS is running. I am using plugins now. No, I am using plugins. Okay. How to generate and propagate the plugins, right? Now I am doing this. Any issues, please live chat, ping me in the live chat. I copy paste in load module purpose only I copy paste, otherwise no copy paste. CD conf vim. First to take backup before doing this. BKP vim http d.conf shift G. And one more thing they asked, what are the information or content available in http d.conf. I will show you, don't worry, I will show you this. Okay. After this, I am using here generate and propagate the plugins. No issues is reported. After that, I deploy the applications. After that, I deploy the application in the console level. Go to the application, click new enterprise application, new enterprise application, choose local file. I use here plants by WebSphere ER file. Web.xml is the most important file. Next, a fast forward means 5 steps, and a detailed path means 11 steps. I'm going for the fast forward path. There is no issues reported. Select this is the mapping modules. Please keep remember how to map the modules. This is the mapping modules. Mapping modules is one of the key role in the WebSphere application server deployment role. Finish. This is application deployment complete. Now I am restarting the servers. Restart. Backend also I will restart in HS level. Dot slash Apache CTL hyphen K stop syntax error. This file is not there. Oh, forgot. Here, OPT, right? Understand where is mistake? Dot slash Apache CTL hyphen K stop. PS hyphen EF hyper symbol grep HTTPD. Where is the issue? Now go to the virtual host. Go to the virtual host. Go to default host. You cannot configure here. Host alias. Where is 8081? Not there. You can configure 8081. Understand, right? Now you can restart the server. No issues. And restart server, okay? Any issues, so please ping me the live chat. Okay, I will suggest after the class, I will suggest one of the person asking for how to search jobs. I will tell you after the end of the session. Okay. 500 internal server down. Say server is running. Yes, application is running 98081 and default port number 9080. Yes, application is running. Application server and IHS application is running. No issues is reported. Now, how to import the SSL certificate in the IHS configuration? Dot slash. We create one. We are creating mkdir SSL cd bin dot slash gskcmd hyphen key db hyphen create hyphen db slash opt ibm http server ssl ihs dot kdb hyphen pw where admin I given the okay hyphen stash hyphen type hyphen stash hyphen type cms key store. Yes, key store is created. cdssl chmod -r 775 star. Okay, we created the CSR. Okay, so here for question number 3. Okay, for third question, third answer. First, we need to create we need to create the dot kdb dot rdb dot sth dot kdb means key database. All organization information will be stored here. What is the organization name? Common name, country, host name, country, organization unit, and a common name and host name and a email address and a postal code. And okay, dot rdb means relational database. All kdb related information will be written in rdb dot sh. Consists of password related information will be there. I will show you how to retrieve the password. If you were forgotten the IHS KDB password, we can retrieve using script. I have one script is there. This is unstash.pl vim unstash.pl. Okay, chmod -r 775 star cd bin dot slash unstash. Here opt ibm http server bin, sorry, http server ssl unstash.pl and slash opt ibm http server ssl slash ihs.kdb. Cannot we can use sth. Yes, bash admin password is come. Okay, password related information will be stored here. We cannot written kdb here. Okay, we will retrieve the password in below format. This is the evidence. We have changed from the console. No issues is reported. So after that there is raise CSR to the client, and they provided three certificates: root, intermediate, and the server certificates. We will add root, comma, intermediate certificates into KDB. After that, we will receive the server certificate in KDB. Same way, we will add those certificates in plugin key.kdb. This will be there. Okay, same will be there. Okay, what is key store versus trust store? Trust store consists of, this is the most interview question today asked, consists of signer information will be present. Key store consists of personal certificates will be stored under key.p12, name it as, and another name is a trust.p12, and security.xml. Take backup of those files while doing the SSL implementation. While doing SSL implementation, cp space -pr key.p12 underscore bkp cp space -pr trust.p12 trust.p12 underscore bkp cp space -pr security.xml underscore bkp. This is the most important thing. Okay, how to deploy the application? How to deploy an application? I'll show already completed. I already shown in the console mode. We will deploy an application in three methodologies. These are ways. One is in GUI mode. Another one is WS admin scripts. Another one is hot deployment. GUI mode, nothing but admin console. Okay, what is the main configuration file? Configuration file for IHS. Answer: http d.conf. They asked this question, and we replied this is the answer. And what is the information? What is the inside http d.conf? What information will be there? Maybe they asked this. We answered there are 42 load modules. Load modules available and rewrite URL and SSL load modules and server name and port number. I will show you, don't worry this, I will show you here. Go to one step back, cd conf vim http d.conf say and load module 22. This is load module and IHS. Okay, this is module. Okay, this is the rewrite URL conditions, rewrite URLs. And one more thing I forgot here, it's saying and error status codes. So this is the error status codes. 301 recently one pages issue 301 permission issues. 104 page not found 500 server issues. 503 server unavailability. Verify the LB team and web team request is coming or not. See, this is yellow or not. This is the redirectional URLs. This is the log format, log rotation, log format. Hours, unit, time, and all the things are there. Agent. See, server name and port number is there. Okay, everything is correct. Load modules. These are the 42 load modules are present here. Based on availability, we can use listen port number, server root. Okay, everything is correct. We believe that. So after this, what question they asked? How to start the JVM, right? How to start the JVM? Go to VAS home slash profiles slash appsrv01 bin, run the command dot slash stop server dot sh server name and dot slash start server dot sh server name. I will show you this. I will show you this. cd opt cd WebSphere IBM WebSphere app server profiles bin profiles app server bin dot slash top server dot sh. India is my server. I will start the server. India is my server. Later, how to configure the data source, what are the properties, or what is the URL. In detail, we are explaining after this starting server. Okay, survey started. Now I am doing the now how to configure data source, how to configure data source. First, contact application team, application development team for JDBC URL and JNDI names. Later, we will contact DB team for DB details like username and password of the database. Password of the database. Later, go to the security under this server infrastructure. Or I will show you here. I will show you in the console board. Go to security. Global security. Under this Java authentication or Java authentication authorization, I create here Oracle. I am using Oracle database. Ganesh I am using here password 71823456 is my password. I have no database. Okay, I just created sample database, sample one. Okay, so go to resources and go to JDBC. Click particular JDBC provider. Select scope as a server or go to server and clear the new database. I have no server. I have no database. Okay, so just I am telling the steps. Select default database. Oracle I am selecting. Provider type Oracle JDBC driver Java database connectivity. Implementation type XA non-XA data source. Connection pool means these are the two things. Connection pool means directly establish the connection. Okay, only one way connection. These XA means two-way connection. Two-way establish the connection. After that, this is we can provide the path. Universal drivers, which is what we can provide here. Confusion cd universal drivers, universal driver under cd lib. When use this in this in this in this ojdbc6.jar we can place ojdbc6.jar. Okay, next and finish and save. Click particular JDBC and go to the data source. Click new data source and here go to remove JD data source. Data source name is Ganesh is the data source. JNDI JDBC slash data source name Ganesh. Here connection URL I have default URL is there. Don't worry about this. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, that URL. My document is there. Okay, here. This is my SOP. In my channel, everything is there. Hmm. Okay, this is the JDBC URL. Okay. Mhm. We can use JDBC column, Oracle column theme. 103.54.101.227, comma 1521, comma x. We can use like this. Next, use security alias. Default principal mapping. Finish. JNDA name is not there. Okay, that wise JNDA not there. Okay, that wise the issue is coming. I have no database. If database is there, no issues. Okay, this is the step, actual steps. Okay, so after this, what is difference between web server versus application server? Web server displays the static pages that is JSP or servlets. It will be placed in front of application server in the version 8.5 onwards. Okay, onwards. Application server displays the dynamic content that is nothing but EJB container. Container consists of EJBs. Okay, data driven bean, entity bean, etc. These are the Java JDBC concepts. And LDAP secure port number 636, IHS secure port number 443, application accessing port number with secure 9443, 9443. What anything miss? Okay, what are the repositories available in WebSphere? There is four types of repositories available. One is federated repository, another one is local OS, another one is standard registry, fourth one custom, and something is there. I will show you this. Go to security, go to security SSL certificate and management. Go to global security. Okay, select and select. This is application purpose. Here, see, standard LDAP registry and local OS standard custom registry. LDAP registry. These are the four. How to enable application security in IBM WebSphere application server. Go to the console. This is application security enable. Application access. Okay. Application security enable application security. Okay. What is the federated repository? We will add one more repository to an existing repository with base DN, bind DN, and password and host name of the LDAP, host name of the LDAP, and the port number of the LDAP, port number of the LDAP, LDAP use what are the type we are using Microsoft Active Directory services. And IBM, I use IBM directory services also is there. This is directory services. So many services is there in AWS. AWS directory services are available. Like this you can use, and anything is missed. Generate and propagate. Okay. Configure IHS port number SSL. Okay. Deploy application and main configuration IHS. Okay. Map module. Everything is complete. How to deploy application in the backend, right? This is okay. I will deploy application in the backend. I will show you the steps. This is application deployment. So I will deploy the application. Upload. Hmm, I will download one calendar application. Calendar.where application is downloading. Okay, I here downloaded and here slash opt. CHO hyphen R. Okay. SU space hyphen VAS admin CD slash WebSphere IBM WebSphere app server profiles DMGR bin. Admin install here calendar right. This is where using backend by using doubles admin script DMG master should be upper state. See, successfully installed in the console. It will show in the console also. Refresh in the console. See, calendar application is there. We have install application in the backend by using doubles admin script. This is the ways to install doubles admin script. Go to here, go to map the module and select. If console is not available, we have map module like this. Okay, go to applications, select and start. No issues if your restart application is worked, no issues is reported. This is the ways to perform the answers in the interview point of view. Go to application, go to calendar. What is context root? No, nothing is there. I will use abc dot ABC. Restart. Okay, see, application accessing ABC. See, calendar application is running. Oh, no issues is reported. Okay, no issues is reporting. And plans by MSP. This also working. 8081. This also working. No issues is reported. Okay, everything is perfectly working. This is the all questions and answers today's interview questions. Okay, we can stop the sharing. Please subscribe the channel and share to your friends and family members. Those who are interested in middleware technologies. Okay. Thank you for watching this. We can close the session.